This is my honest review of McCormick's Ground Nutmeg. McCormick Ground Nutmeg is a popular spice used in cooking and baking to add a warm, sweet, and slightly nutty flavor to dishes. It is made by grinding the seeds of the nutmeg tree, which is native to Indonesia, and is often used in both sweet and savory dishes. The spice is commonly used in desserts such as pies, cakes, and custards, but it can also be used in savory dishes such as soups, stews, and sauces. We love it in stew. It pairs well with other warm spices like cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. You can also make a great potpourri with it. One of the benefits of McCormick Ground Nutmeg is that it is a versatile spice that can be used in a variety of recipes. It is also easy to use. Just a little bit of spice goes a long way in adding flavor to dishes. In addition to its flavor, nutmeg is also believed to have health benefits. It contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. Overall, McCormick Ground Nutmeg is a flavorful and versatile spice that is a must-have in any spice collection. Its warm and slightly sweet flavor can add depth and complexity in both sweet and savory dishes. And its potential health benefits make it a great addition to any diet. And if you're going to have nutmeg at the holidays, you got to have ground nutmeg on top. Go out and get yourself some ground nutmeg from McCormick.